Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today I want to play and talk about shadows, the B1 piece on page 6 of these grade 3 piano exam pieces is still the 2019 and 2020, obviously ABRSM. This tutorial is especially for some of my students that are having some problem understanding how to use correctly the pedal. And obviously it's not the only reason. I will show you today with a double camera, how to use correctly the pedal when I play. So in one frame you will see me playing, and in the other one you will see me moving my right foot to use the pedal. The right pedal, the sustain pedal. Before I start, I want to simply clarify a few things. Mainly it's about the what is happening in the right. You should definitely learn how to split these lines, let's say the right end, at least up to the end of the first page, because in the second page it's everything is completely different. What is happening in the first page? In this first page we have a double layer, I can say. There are two different voices. One, the top one playing B, D, G, C, and then doing a B, D, G, A. So what you can see on top, so all the notes with the stems pointing up are, I could say, a kind of accompaniment that is in the right hand now. The real melody is the bottom line of the right hand. Indeed it does. You have to imagine that it is I'm ignoring the top notes, the notes with the stem pointing up. Now I will play the first line in the way it is, showing you what you have to do. Definitely you have to stress the bottom notes that you play with the thumb, which ones are these bottom notes on the stave. B, C, B, A, B, C, B, A. Let's go back to the keyboard. Simply the melody. You see? I'm stressing. Et voilà. Now I want to finally play the whole one according to the speed. I hope it was all clear to you, yeah? Now I'm going to play the piece at the official speed, 66 per dotted crotchets, showing you also what I'm doing with my with the pedal, with my right foot. This is the right pedal, this is the middle pedal, this is the left one that luckily is a little bit out of the camera, but doesn't matter. I will need simply the right one that I'm activating with my right foot. Using a little bit of metronome just to understand which one is the final speed. It's quite slow. Ya do do da, ya do do da, ya do do da da dee da da dee da. Turning the metronome off. Ready to play now. I start with the right pedal already down to make it simple. Remember that the principle is always up down, so note up down, 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 note up down. I prefer to repeat several times because I repeat many times and it's really hard to be understood. And why not repeating even more? Now, ready to play? Again the metronome. Yakatata. Okay, now I have to mention a few things. I have first of all changed a little bit the pedaling, because here I didn't like it at all. I tried a few times to play keeping the pedal up to the end of the bar, changing it here, but for me it doesn't really work that much. And at the end is exactly the same situation. Yeah, I maybe she had some specific idea, or maybe the piano which she composed was slightly different. Today these pianos, the notes resonate pretty much thanks to the sustain that maybe is much more powerful, or is due to the digital piano, the digital technology. Anyways, I've done the same here. I decided to change it also here, just to clean up a bit more the sound. Indeed, I show you now how you should maybe write on the book. Yeah, what you can write, what you can do, indeed, is quite easy to be understood. Simply copy what they do when there is the official change. Yeah, yeah, simply the pedal change. Remember, the most important thing to keep in mind now is how to work with the pedal. It's all about, again, luckily you can see now my feet, my right foot working. It's exactly this, the principle. Let's go to the keyboard again. I repeat exactly like I did in the beginning. Now I do with the two hands. Da da di da. You see? Da 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 di da. Da da di da. Da da di da. And what I do here, it's exactly what I do always. There are a few bars that I was meant to play in a different way. At least this is my idea. My intention is to use the left pedal as well for the pianissimo, but obviously since I have the camera here, I didn't want to go with my right foot in front of the camera. I would use definitely the left pedal to play even better, and I would maybe do the same here. Yeah, but in general, now focus on the pedal. And focus on the fact that you have to stress more the bottom notes of the right hand, stressing the thumb, stressing the note played by the thumb. Yeah, maybe in piano, obviously. Do, ba, da, 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 da. In this case by the second, yeah? Da, second again, da. One pedal, according to what she says. According to what the composer says. Keep counting in 3 when you are starting this second line, because many times I've seen some of my students having problems when they start this bar. They start rushing these notes. No. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You carry on, blah, 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 blah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. With a pause, you stretch out and then you keep going. Obviously, then here, play this D crossing over the right hand with the left. Do, 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 ta, 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 ta. Like I've done in the recording. Now finally I can use do, 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 ta, ta, ta. I use the left pedal, yeah? T. Here I would really like to use the pedal, to be very honest. I would change the pedal and I would use a new one. This is my personal opinion. But let's maybe leave. This is my idea, yeah? You can stick to the... Try to play with a very good and strong finger legato. It's possible. Look how you do the finger legato here. Look. Finger legato. T. I'm holding for a bit longer, bit more the G with the little finger changing. Yeah, this is the practical secret. You do the same here, da, you see, da, da. Last second. In this way you connect very well the notes. Anyways, I don't think that there is anything else at the moment to add on top of what I have explained. I hope that now it's clear how to use the pedal. I think that I will publish a video simply talking about the pedal. In this way, everybody that is interested in understanding how to use the pedal, the right pedal, the sustain pedal, can maybe finally know. Even though there are very good videos made by good pianists all over YouTube, where you can definitely learn how to use correctly the pedal. I hope that I've helped anyways today. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have never done before. Thank you.